I purchased something from Caprit Nails. These are fully customizable 3D printed nail stands. So let me show you what I purchased. Here are basically all the nail stands. I took everything basically out of the box for you. So the name of the design of these nail stands are called Witchy Cauldron. So you get 2 of your bases and you get to design every color every step of the way. So I just went purple on purple because everyone knows purple is my favorite color. So you get to choose your outer color and your inner color. And then the nail stand itself comes with 2 bases and you get 10 stands. And then the height of the stand, you get to choose your base height. I chose the middle height. When you're on the website, you get to see what I'm talking about, and everything is really self-explanatory. I chose black for my cauldron and then almost like my green neon bubbles. Then everything fits right into here. And then these all do come with magnets. Now, when you're on the website, you do have an option for a $5 add-on to have 10 magnetless nail stands for if you're using cat eye gel polish. So that's basically what I did. So I added on to my order 10 more nail stands that don't have magnets in them. So they're basically the same exact color, but these don't have magnets in them. So if I have a magnet here, I know this doesn't have a magnet, but if I have this to the bottom, this has a magnet. So that's how I'll know which one has a magnet and which one of these nail stands does not have a magnet. Definitely check out the website. There are a ton of different design options to choose from. I went with this one because Halloween is my favorite time of the year, if anyone doesn't know, and there are different colors to choose from. So your possibilities are endless. Everything is really self-explanatory, and the descriptions and everything, the instructions are really, really easy to follow on the website. And go check out Caprit Nails. Talk to everyone later. Bye now, family.